Did you know that KFC produces over 1 billion crispy tenders every year? That's right. Behind the scenes, there's a meticulous process to create the mouth-watering tenders we all crave. Get ready for an eye-opening journey that reveals how your favorite fast food is made. History of KFC. This is the iconic face of KFC. His name is Colonel Harland Sanders. Sanders was born on September 9, 1890, in Henryville, Indiana. He had a tough childhood. When he was just 6, his dad passed away, so he had to help take care of his siblings and learned how to cook at a young age. In his 40s, while running a gas station in Kentucky, he started serving meals to travelers. His fried chicken became so popular that by 1935 he opened his first restaurant. The governor of Kentucky even gave him the honorary title of Colonel, which later became a big part of his brand. But his journey wasn't easy. His restaurant burned down and a new highway took away his customers. Instead of giving up, he decided to share his chicken recipe through franchises. After facing thousands of rejections, he finally got his first franchise deal in 1952. By 1964, when he was 74 years old, KFC had grown to over 600 franchises. Today, there are more than 15,000 KFC locations around the world. His secret recipe with 11 herbs and spices is still one of the food industry's biggest secrets. Even after selling the company for $2 million, Sanders stays as the face of KFC till today. The process. KFC sources its chicken from the best poultry suppliers around the world, making sure it meets high standards for quality, safety, and ethics. These suppliers must follow strict guidelines that cover animal welfare, food safety, and sustainable practices. To maintain these standards, KFC regularly audits its suppliers to confirm humane treatment of animals, proper food safety measures, and environmentally friendly operation. Many of these suppliers also hold certifications from organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, which guarantees top-notch safety practices. By partnering with responsible suppliers, KFC ensures that its chicken is not only delicious, but also ethically and sustainably produced, providing meals customers can trust. When chickens arrive at the processing facility, they are humanely stunned, making them unconscious and pain-free before slaughter. The feathers are removed using a hot water bath, followed by a machine with rotating rubber fingers that gently strip them off. The chicken's outer surface is then thoroughly washed with high-pressure water and food-safe solutions to remove any remaining feathers, dirt, or debris, while the inside is flushed to clean out blood and tissue. The process starts with the removal of the feet, followed by a vent cutter that carefully extracts internal organs like the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs in a single step using suction or grips. Each chicken is carefully inspected by both plant workers and USDA inspectors to ensure it is free from diseases or defects, such as bruising. Only a small percentage of chickens are rejected. Approved chickens are moved to an automated system for processing into different parts. They are positioned precisely on hooks or clamps to ensure proper alignment for cutting machines. These machines use advanced tools to make accurate cuts, separating key parts like breast meat with precision. The front halves are placed on saddles that securely hold them, while programmed equipment makes consistent, high-quality cuts based on specific recipes. This ensures the chicken parts meet the standards customers expect from KFC. After the chicken is pre-cut, it moves to stations where workers carefully hand-select fillets and tenders to ensure the best quality and maximum yield. The meat is then separated from the bones, and advanced X-ray technology scans it for any leftover bone fragments. If the machine detects any, the flagged pieces are sent to workers who manually remove the remaining bits of bone. The boneless meat is sent to a smart processing line, which only releases products that match specific batch recipes. Fresh or frozen chicken pieces, including drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, are then shipped to KFC locations. At the restaurant, the chicken is marinated in a secret blend of herbs and spices that gives it the unique flavor KFC is known for. This seasoning recipe is one of the company's most closely guarded secrets. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading, made from flour and a special mix of seasonings. This step ensures the chicken is evenly coated, giving it its famous crispy golden texture. Now KFC's famous fried chicken owes its perfection to a brilliant invention by Colonel Sanders, the pressure fryer. Unlike regular frying where chicken is cooked in open oil, the pressure fryer uses a sealed chamber filled with hot oil. As it heats up, the fryer builds pressure, trapping moisture inside the chicken. This method makes the chicken extra crispy on the outside while staying tender and juicy on the inside, creating that irresistible bite everyone loves. Freshly fried golden brown chicken is served hot, either as standalone pieces or in meals with sides and drinks. Before frying, the chicken is coated with flour, which gives it its signature crispy texture. The flour is made without artificial ingredients, ensuring a natural and delicious coating. After being coated, the chicken pieces are placed on vibrating belts that shake off any excess flour and ensure an even, uniform coating. During frying, the chicken develops a golden brown color and crunchy exterior, while locking in all its tenderness and juiciness, making it the ultimate lip-smackin' finger-lickin' food. Chicken nuggets. Now, no fast food party is complete without chicken nuggets. Even if you're not a fan of those crispy, juicy bites, this video might just change your mind and awaken your taste buds. To get that irresistible golden brown look, nuggets are fried to about 70% doneness, so they're almost ready to go when you order them at the restaurant. The process is automated, but it's amazing how a little love and care are still part of the recipe. Pizzas. Did you know that in a single day, a pizza factory can produce over 100,000 pizzas? That's enough to feed an entire city. Join us as we dive into the incredible world of pizza manufacturing. Let's roll back the clock to the bustling streets of Naples, Italy in the 1700s. Picture hardworking folks who needed a quick, tasty meal to fill their stomachs. Enter pizza. This delicious dish started as simple flatbreads topped with whatever was on hand, like garlic, lard, and maybe a sprinkle of cheese. Fast forward to 1889 when a royal visit changed everything. Queen Margherita of Italy tried a special pizza topped with red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil, representing the Italian flag. She loved it so much that it was named after her. How cool is that? In the early 1900s, Italian immigrants brought pizza to America. The first pizzeria opened in New York City in 1905, and soon everyone was craving those cheesy slices. From New York's floppy slices to Chicago's deep dish delight, pizza exploded into a worldwide sensation. Pizza quickly became a staple of American culture, and its modern history is packed with exciting developments. Domino's Pizza was founded in 1960 by two brothers in Michigan, where they began making pizzas in 30 minutes or less. This promise made them a household name and revolutionized pizza delivery. Similarly, Pizza Hut started in 1958 by another two brothers, who borrowed $600 to open their first restaurant in Kansas. Today, both Domino's and Pizza Hut continue to be top pizza chains, offering online ordering through apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats. But what goes on behind the scenes before that hot, cheesy pizza meets with your taste buds? Inside large pizza factories, powerful machines handle the heavy lifting, mixing, and kneading hundreds of pounds of dough in one go. Once ready, the dough is flattened into smooth, even sheets by massive rollers. A spiked roller then punctures tiny holes in the sheets to prevent air bubbles and keep them flat. Next, precision cutters shape the dough into perfectly round pizza bases. Depending on the recipe, the pizza bases are then baked in large ovens. After baking, they're transferred to a multi-tiered rotating tower to cool gradually. The topping process is a masterpiece of precision. Sauce dispensers evenly spread tomato sauce across the bases, either with multiple nozzles or rotating mechanisms. Then comes the fun part, adding the toppings. Special machines carefully sprinkle meats, vegetables, and other toppings in measured amounts. Can you imagine the aroma in this room? Any stray toppings are collected and reused, reducing waste. Shredded cheese is applied using advanced dispensers that evenly cover the pizzas, ensuring every bite is perfectly cheesy. Once topped, the pizzas are baked in massive industrial tunnel ovens. Then, they are rapidly cooled to lock in freshness and then sent to specialized freezers where they are flash frozen. The final stage is packaging packaging. Each pizza is placed on a cardboard disc for support, then wrapped airtight with a multi-layered plastic film to prevent freezer burn and moisture loss. From there, the pizzas go through quality checks before being placed in pre-printed boxes with labels indicating production dates, batch numbers, and expiration dates. These machines are truly amazing, making the food we love so perfectly. If you're fascinated, check out the videos popping up on your screen to see more incredible food-making technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you next time.